YouTube. Let's learn this song by Inhaler called In My Sleep. That's basically the whole first like minute or 2 minutes of the song. Just variations on this theme. Starts out with this little riff, E minor 7 at the 7th fret to D. We're building just D like it was an A shape, movable A shape at the 7th fret. Play in an open position if you like had an acoustic guitar. Sometimes they hang on the E minor. Instead of going the E minor to D, they're just laying on the E minor 7. So the whole first part of the song is based on that riff and that chord progression. And then after like the second time they go through the verse, they go to it seems like a bridge, and it goes D, C, G. He's like, goes like maybe 4 times. D, C, G, and then it goes, take me to the edge. And that's how they get back into the okay, so that little transition is E minor, the edge, A, G, D, and back to the E minor. Alright, and there's a guitar solo played over that E minor, C to D. And then the whole, after about the 2.5 minutes, the whole second part of the song just goes to that D, C, tonight. And the guitar and the melody, the vocal melody, that's all E minor. Okay, and that works over the G fine too, because E minor and G are relative to each other. All right, that's how I play that song. Thanks for watching. Bye.